Hey everyone, while most AI SDRs focus on outbound sales, Qualified's Piper has built an incredible inbound sales engine. Piper can identify each website visitor, engage them at just the right moment, and guide them exactly where they need to go based on their buying intent and your business goals. Whether it's pushing leads to book more meetings or learn about your pricing, Piper's got it covered. I'm going to explain exactly how Piper works, and then I'll give you a full tutorial on how to onboard Piper and have it working for you 24/7 starting today. So, Piper works by identifying your website visitors and gathering data about them from your CRM systems. Based on that data, Piper ranks these visitors according to their buying intent. With access to live visitor actions, Piper knows exactly when to start a conversation and what to say. It won't just say, "Hey, do you have any questions?" No, Piper takes it a step further. It knows exactly what the visitor is looking at on your site, whether it's the pricing page, features, or even some highlighted text. Piper then starts a conversation that's relevant to that specific topic. For example, if a visitor is looking at pricing, Piper might say, "Hey, first name, I think the premium plan would be great for you. It's perfect for agencies and small businesses. Do you have any questions about our pricing options?" But Piper doesn't stop there. It keeps the conversation going and leads the prospect closer to your goal. If Piper is chatting with someone who shows strong buying intent, you can instruct it to push that lead to book a demo. For fresher leads with less information, Piper can share resources or suggest registering for a webinar. It knows when to nurture a lead and when to push for a call. Piper even adjusts the website to better suit the lead. For instance, it might add a header with a familiar call to action, CTA, or change a CTA from book a call to watch a demo, all in an effort to boost conversions. Now, you might be wondering, what happens if Piper can't handle a question or if the lead asks to talk to a human? Don't worry. Piper's got that covered too. If it doesn't know the answer or the lead wants to speak with someone, Piper categorizes the visitor and notifies the right person on your team. The qualified team member gets a notification and can step in right away. Piper doesn't just shut down. It supports your human SDRs in this process. Now that you're excited about how Piper works, let me show you how to set it up to handle your inbound leads. Onboarding Piper is a lot like onboarding a real SDR. First, you'll teach Piper about your company by linking your website and adding your FAQs. Piper will constantly learn about your business to stay up to date. After providing this info, you can test how Piper answers questions in the AI testing grounds. This is where you can give feedback and further refine how Piper responds to be more aligned with your voice. Next, you'll set up Piper's lead qualification criteria, which helps it decide when to push for a demo based on buying intent. If a visitor doesn't match your ideal customer profile, ICP, Piper will just redirect them elsewhere. Piper's also connected to all your CRMs, so it knows exactly when to pass the lead off to you or another team member. After you take over, Piper stays by your side, helping with information about the visitor, providing suggestions for responding, and even adjusting the tone of your messages to stay consistent with your brand. This is how you can use Piper to handle most of your inbound leads. But if you want to automate up to 80% of sales tasks, I suggest combining Piper for inbound with an outbound AI SDR like 11x or Agent Frank for a complete solution. That's it for today's video. See you later, guys. Bye.